Unboxing of FireBoltt Invisible. Okay, so just it says 15 days of standby, IP67 water resistant, TWS Connect, 110 watch faces. God knows how far it's true. And it says it has 8 GB of inbuilt memory. Now watches have become like the phones. It says 16,000, that's a 15,999, and I got it for 5,999. 10,000 rupees off. What a miracle. Let's see how it looks. And this is the box, and it's all in white, and we're going to pull this out. Wow, and it's a blue strap watch. It's big, and my son is more interested in seeing this watch. So let's take this out. I think it is stuck here. What are they? Slowly. Finally my son did the unboxing. There's nothing inside. Keep it outside. This is how it looks. It's strapped. So I think I'll have to remove the strap to... Oh no, it's like this. You break it into two halves. Okay. Wow, so you have one piece here and one piece there. So this one, yeah, I don't know what is it. And this one, again, I don't know what is it. So these could be charges. And this is how the phone, the watch looks. It has a plastic cover, so as of now I'll remove this. On the side we have two dedicated buttons, one here and one here. It says FireBoltt. This is nice. Strap is good, and you have the brand. That's it. Let's see what is here in this small boxes. Let's remove this. Yeah, so inside this is mostly the USB cable. Oh, here is already removed. So here is paperwork. Okay, so you are honored, and it says something register for warranty. So a lot of scan this into it, and then booklet. Okay, so that's it. Sorry, I have cold, so this cough is not leaving me. Then here you have the cable for the charging purpose. The magnetic one should be. Yes, it is magnetic stuff. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's not. I'll have to remove this paper out.
Paper, oui.
Remove the strap. How big it looks on my wrist. Okay. Oh, it's this big. My entire wrist is covered. It's a big watch. Alright, so this is the unboxing. Let's switch it on and see. Oh, there's another cover on this. That's gone, so I will stick that here in this end. pitch black one. Sun has given us a fingerprint. Let's start. Okay. First booting of FireBoltt Invisible. 1947. This is what the time shows. So this shows in orange. It's deep orange. Okay. This is how the color is. And we have a thick bezel here. You see it's almost half an inch, but that's okay, doesn't matter, looks great. Here you have the sensors. Let's see how much the camera can read. Let's see something on this. Okay, that's how it is. Looks nice, pretty good. So this is all about the unboxing. And let's see how good the battery is and how good the reading is. I'll post another video on that. Right, thank you.